In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Slack email notifications. If your inbox keeps filling up with Slack emails, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to stop those message alerts and also how to opt out of newsletters and feature updates. We'll keep your Slack notifications where they belong, inside Slack, not in your email. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so you can confidently choose what to keep and what to turn off. First, let's stop email notifications for mentions and direct messages when you're away from your computer. Open Slack on your desktop. In the top corner, click your profile picture to open the menu, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Notifications section. Look for the area labeled When I'm Not Active on Desktop. Here you'll see an option that says, Send me email notifications for mentions and direct messages. Uncheck that box. That's it. After you turn this off, Slack won't email you when someone mentions you or sends you a DM while you're inactive on desktop. You'll still see those messages in Slack itself, and your push or in-app notifications will continue to work as usual. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, review this setting in each one, since notification preferences can be workspace specific. You can always come back and re-enable it if you change your mind. Now let's handle the other kinds of emails. Things like newsletters, product tips, and feature announcements. These are managed in your account settings. Click your profile picture again and select Account Settings. Slack will open a browser page for your account. Navigate to the Notifications tab. Scroll to the section called Email News and Updates. Here you'll see checkboxes for different categories of marketing and product emails. Uncheck the ones you don't want to receive, such as newsletters or feature updates. Those changes typically save automatically. This won't affect essential emails like security alerts or billing-related messages, which Slack may still send when necessary. If you access multiple workspaces using the same email, these account-level email preferences generally apply across them. To recap, you've turned off email notifications for mentions and DMs when you're not active on desktop, and you've opted out of newsletters and updates you don't need. That should keep your inbox clear while letting Slack handle real-time communication where it belongs. If you ever want those emails back, just revisit the same settings and recheck the boxes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner inbox.